marine warning for waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia out 60 nautical miles until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 5 nautical miles northwest of Altamaha Sound, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include DRH Buoy, John Bird, Tug Rio Caroni, Grays Reef Buoy, ALT Buoy, Buoy DH, Doughboy Sound Buoy D and Altamaha Sound. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm.